babawiin. Kayo po ba, pag nagbigay kayo ng regalo ba, binabawi niyo po ba? And pangalawa, syempre, the good Lord has given me and my family good health. Okay na ako doon, hindi naman ako greedy kasi nobody knows my personality eh. So, siguro doon pa lang, okay na ako. So, yung babawiin is not in my vocabulary.
But to clarify po, it was a group po na campaigning for you, ah?
Okay, it was campaigning for me, pero you see, I don't always, ano yan, yung sumasang-ayon sa lahat ng mga post kasi hindi ko naman alam yung post na yan eh. Ever since na ako nag-run for a position, I stopped using my social media.
Okay po, ma'am, another question po. The question I've been trying to ask you is, pagka po natuloy kayong maging mayor and gagawin na po yung infrastructure projects na pinangako po ninyo, just for the record po, will St. Gerard participate in them?
No, definitely not. That's a question that I really don't get. Kasi under RA 9184, no, bawal mangontrata up to the third degree. Sumusunod naman tayo eh. Oo.
I'm not sure if you're allowed to answer. You can leave a comment. But do you have any comment or reaction to the responsibility complaint filed against your opponent in front of you?
I don't have a comment on that.
Whatever the results, will you be reaching out to Mayor Vico?
I actually, nung Grand Caucus namin, sinabi ko sa mga, interviews ng vloggers ko, may the best man win, no? I am willing to congratulate or shake the hand of the winner. Madidisappoint ako that I didn't win kung sakasakali. Pero at the end of the day, winner pa rin ako. Bakit? Unang-una, no, guys, pumayat ako. Isang pangarap ko na mula bata pa ako, gusto ko mamayat. Pangalawa, madami akong taong nakilala at natulungan. So, dun, masayang-masaya na at dun ang ano ng puso ko. So, win or lose, feeling ko pa rin, winner pa rin ako.
Okay, last question ha.
Ma'am, Dominic from Philstar.com, ano po yung pinaka-challenging itong campaign, lalo na first-time politician kayo?
Challenging sa campaign. Lahat naman nagawa ko, yung meet and greets, focuses, house to house. Siguro yun yung pinaka-challenging sa akin is parang wala eh. No, nagampanan ko naman lahat kasi it's a new experience for me. Yung sarili ko, excited ako makilala mga tao, whether or not na they accept me. Pero natutuwa naman ako na every household, every person, accepting naman and nakipagkamay.
Ma'am, yung People's Day po ibabalik natin kasi yan po ang wala sa Pasig.
Definitely, we will bring back People's Day kung sakasakali tayo ipalarin. Kasi syempre gusto natin mapakinggan ang hinanaing ng bawat Pasigenyo. Kasi kung kami lang magre-relay sa sarili naming resources, it's not enough. The people need to speak and I want to be a leader that lets people speak para sa kanila yan.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.